Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to sharpen an image in Photoshop using Unsharp Mask so your photos look crisp without overdoing it. First, open your image in Photoshop. Important prep step. Right-click the image layer. Click Convert to Smart Object. This makes sharpening editable later. Now, go to the top menu. Click Filter. Then click Sharpen. Then click Unsharp Mask. The Unsharp Mask dialog opens. Now adjust the sliders. Amount controls how strong the sharpening is. Radius controls edge thickness. Use 1 to 2 pixels for most images. Threshold controls what gets sharpened. Higher values protect smooth areas like skin. Watch the preview as you adjust. When it looks sharp but natural, click OK. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.